Okay guys, so what we have today is we have the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Now I have the Mavic 1 and I've been using that for my videos. It works very well. It's been a good drone. I've had it for probably about 2.5 years. Needed to upgrade to the Mavic 2. It's just got a little better camera, a little bit better stabilization, and I also have to tether my phone to it, to the remote, which is a little bit of a pain when I'm using it. And one of the things I really like about this new one is it offers what they call the smart controller. So it has a screen built on it. So just wanted to pop this out. We'll do an unboxing of it real quick. Let y'all see what's in the box and go from there. Okay, so let's take a look at what's in the box. We'll slide that off, move this out of the way. We have an open tab here. Get a knife for that. Okay, opening the box up. The packaging looks very nice. Here's the new drone. And this is the Pro, it's not the Zoom model. There's actually two models for this drone. The Pro has the I'm trying to think of how to say this word. Hasselblad, which is supposed to be a really good, like 20 megapixel, I believe, camera. They make a Zoom model that actually has really good zoom features, but it's not quite as good as the camera on this one for short range, I guess close range. So anyway, I decided to go with the Pro. This is the drone. This is its fold out. Looks pretty much just like the old Mavic. The only thing that's different is the globe, I guess, on this one is a lot bigger. And the other drone had 2 obstruction sensors on the front, and that was it. One of the things I really like about this one is, so you could back into things with the Mavic 1. This drone here has the obstruction sensors on the back and the sides also. So it's definitely gonna, if you're doing a follow me or something like that, where it's following you and you're driving something, it's gonna do a lot better about not hitting something than the Mavic 1 would have handled that. So that's basically your drone. This is the battery that pops off. It's almost exactly look like the same to the Mavic 1. Just has a lot more sensors and good stuff like that. Got a small box here. Inside this box, here's your 110 plug for the charger. And here's your battery charger. And then this is your remote here. Looks like it's even got a microphone on it, which is kind of nice. Open this up. That's your fold-up antennas there. Looks like it's got HDMI, USB on top. Feels like a good quality remote. And then right here, if you look on the back side, is your joystick. So if you need to put it in a bag or something, got a nice little holder to keep those, so you don't have to worry about breaking those off. That's another joystick, not a microphone, sorry. So it's probably for panning, or you can set that for where it controls the camera view, not the drone. Really good quality feeling remote. Feels pretty good in the hands. So that's basically what's in the box. We got another small box here that was under the controller. Of course, there's your propellers. And it looks like this is probably the charger for the handheld remote. And then all your booklets and instructions here. We don't need any of that. Alright, so got an extra set of joysticks, it looks like. I think those are about the same size. I think it's just a spare set. the blades. If you look at these blades, there's a difference, or the Mavic 1 was, so let's see if these are the same. And get them open. Okay, so the difference between the sets are, should have 2 sets with black and should have 2 sets with a white outline. Okay, which we do. Okay, so if you look, you see the difference there? The ones with the circles right there, those go where you see the white circles here, right? So when you put your blades on, lock them in there. And your solid one here that does not have the circles, it goes here on the solid top. You just lock those on there. Same thing here. We have another one. Lock that on. And then I've got another solid black one. And it locks on there also like that. Sticker for the power on and off. Let's peel that off. Don't need that. This is all trash. Looks like you did get a nice spare set of blades. A Fly More combo, which I've ordered. It'll come with another set. But if you look, they give you 1 spare with a ring and 1 spare without. So, nice to have a full spare kit. To power the drone on, push it once and then hold it. If the battery has any charge, which it may not. Peel those stickies off. And I think the battery's dead. So, I'm gonna have to charge the battery up. I need to register this one. But we'll get everything charged up and hopefully be able to get some good angles for y'all on the reviews. Should be produce some better quality videos with this one. I'd like to thank you for watching the unboxing of the Mavic 2 Pro. Looking forward to using this drone, looking forward to flying it today. Just getting it out, seeing how it handles compared to the Mavic 1. This one does have the smart controller, which we talked about and we showed. It's the difference. It's got its own screen, so you don't have to have your phone attached to it, which is really nice. Please hit that like and subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. Going to try to get some good views and some good angles on the vehicle reviews we're doing. Trying to make the videos a little bit better for y'all. If you got any questions or comments, please drop them below. Thanks for watching my videos.